When we brought football back, it definitely generated an excitement in the community that we had not had for 18 years, that we did not have a football program. And they become very engaged, and it brings them to the university.
I think we've built a reputation to be competitive, and that was really what I think we were looking for in those days. I can remember being told by some people that we would all know, why are we spending this money on this program? And my answer was, we're spending this money on this program because it will enhance the university.
If you were around Sally, she had this tremendous passion for the university and its students that people just bought into, whether it was donors or legislators or governor or whoever. She committed to bring back the program if they would raise $5 million.
The percentage of dollars that go for athletics is small, but it's significant when your universities need money. It's a part of the whole university experience. Students want to be able to have choices. There's no more valuable experience than the power of a symphony when students and faculty are performing together, or the band on a Saturday night, or the opportunity to perform in a play. All of those are choices for students. Athletics is just one of those.
On the first night that we played football, and she and I stood in the middle of that field, and she looked around and she says, where do we get all these people? but I said, those are people that loved Southeastern.